Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see in today's video, we have a couple unboxings. I have an item from Celine, Hermes, and then rounding out with some Fendi. So let's get right into it. Let's kick things off with Celine. This is from the Celine Triumph collection. I've been wanting to add a item from this collection for a while, and I've seen Mary. Hey Mary, she has amazing taste when it comes to Celine. I love her style and may have been a bit influenced with Mary. So sunglasses in this beautiful case. I've been going back and forth between the tortoise and the black. As you know, I love those neutral tones. Here we go. These are the black Celine oval sunglasses. You can see that beautiful Triumph logo. And this one, there's just something about Celine sunglasses in that chic black, and I think they're so pretty. So let's see. Yeah, look at that. I think it's so pretty, that detail. I do love this oval shape. It just gives me something different than the classic cat eye or even more that square shape. So I do have those Chanel Sunnies and my Dior ones that I tend to switch on and off with. That just gives me another great option. Next, let's go with Fendi. This is a pair of shoes, you can tell from the box, and this is not my first pair, and when I saw it this colorway, I had to add it because it's just the perfect colorway from the Cruise collection. Okay, here we go. This is my newest pair of Calibre pumps. I love this nude rose color, and then you have the pop of the green and the purple with the yellow. Isn't that fabulous? I love it. I do have a pair that's all that blush nude that you see here, but I could not resist when you had these soft muted colors. You know I love muted colors, and I think these Calibres are so fun, so I felt like if I didn't add them, then I would regret it later. I think this would look so good with my peekaboo. Look at that. And it picks up that purple tone right by the strap there. I think that looks such a fresh take. If you don't have them, I highly recommend them. Again, I did take the heel height in the shorter heel height, the 55, which I recommend. Last but certainly not least are these Hermes, and it's a pair of shoes. I will tell you that these shoes, I've been wanting a pair of these for a bit, but this particular shade was a little bit of a surprise. But Hermes style being more understated, they're definitely more chic. I love this outfit combination between my cashmere jumper, my black jeans, and then with the sneakers, just to really tie this casual chic type of look. So chic in the black on black. I think this will be great, especially for our Chicago weather. These sneakers will get a lot of use. Now I will add, they did have this Evelyn there. My essay was trying to see if I was interested in this beautiful pop of color, and I do think it's pretty. I'm still trying to process if this is one that needs to go into the collection. So what was your favorite item from today's unboxings? Thank you again for watching, and be sure to subscribe if you're not already, and I will see you in my next video. Take care.